everyone, my name is Katie and today I'm going to be talking about how to use a planner and stay organized. In upper elementary school, students usually start learning how to use a planner. With most school being online, it is even more important now to have a way to keep track of assignments and class times. So today, I'm going to help you get organized. Since everyone has different access to materials right now, I'm going to go through 3 methods for staying organized. First, I will walk you through how to use and set up a standard planner. Then I will go through a couple examples of how to use a digital organization system. And at the end of the video, I will go over how to get the same organizational benefits with only using a piece of paper. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's go over how to use a normal planner. To start with, you're going to want to write out your class schedule in the front of the planner. This way you can reference when you have class. Next, write down all assignments you get and the day they are due. By writing down the assignments when you get them, you're much less likely to forget them. Make sure to circle all the due dates in red, especially for larger assignments. If you have an essay due or a project, you're going to want to make sure you know when that's due and when you need to get it in by. Then, to take it a step further, write out your homework plan for each day. What assignments are you going to get done that day? What are you going to work on? By keeping track of your class schedule, writing down your assignments when you get them, circling the important due dates in red, and writing out your plan for every day, you will stay on top of it and not fall behind on work. You will know when all of your assignments are due and be able to get them in on time. Next, let's go over a digital method of organization. For this video, I will be using my MacBook to demonstrate these tools. However, they would also be available on an iPad or a phone. So first, one thing that you can do is to make your class schedule your home screen so that you never forget it. Then, make sure to add all of your classes into a Google Calendar. You can set it to repeat so that you don't have to enter all the classes individually. You can set it to send you reminders. By setting a reminder using Google Calendar, you're much less likely to forget when you have class. Then, you can also put all the links you need for those classes into the Google Calendar. One way that you can keep track of assignments is using Todoist. Within Todoist, you can create different projects. So create a different project for each of your classes. Then add all the assignments into the projects when you get them for your different classes. You can also add in when the assignments are all due. If you would rather just have one place to have all of the information instead of having it separately in a Google Calendar and in Todoist, you can just use one big Google Doc. Insert a chart at the top of the doc with all the times you have class and the links and passcodes to those classes. Then create an assignment section for each class. Here you can write out what assignments are given to you and when they are due. Using a Google Doc, you can also insert links to other notes you take and other information from class. Finally, you can also just stay organized using a piece of paper. First, write out your class schedule on a piece of paper and put it up on the wall near where you normally take classes and do schoolwork. Then, keep a piece of paper for each class. Write down the assignments as they're given to you and when they are due. At the beginning of each week, take a piece of paper and write out when you plan to do each of the assignments and when they are due. Hopefully one of these methods works for you, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you were able to get a bit more organized with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. You can also find all of these steps written out on a worksheet linked down below. You are all brilliant. Thanks everyone. Bye.